Welcome to Agari and me, with me being Agari and you guys being a me part. So that's following along with my journey for financial freedom, and also just to hopefully influence you guys to look outside of the box towards what is possible and what is realistic. So with that, I'm going to start off how I made my childhood dream come true. And with that, I'm talking about these berries right here. So they're my bracelets, the new addition to my fam. Well, for 2 years, so they say. So with that, I'm going to be starting off just talking a little bit about why I wanted to get my bracelets. And that's because I've always wanted them. And what I want, I need to get. Basically, the whole lesson or mission or whatever of this video is to show you guys that you guys can literally have and do anything you want. In short little words, the power of belief. So basically what you believe was going to be possible, that's what's possible. If you think it's impossible, it's impossible, period. And with that, I just wanted to share a little bit of the backstory. So with the backstory, it comes actually a little bit of my childhood traumas, you could say. No, they're not traumas. They're just kind of things that as you grow up, you kind of start to wonder, like, why isn't this something that was made a priority, or why wasn't this something I was taught? Just little things like that. You know, things you wish you would have learned or known beforehand, before you're an adult, and you wish you would have figured it out a long time ago. My thing was just the fact that I wish my parents would have actually made my braces a priority. I am a part of 6 other kids, so I understand that they can't focus on one kid solely. I always wanted to get braces, and I always told my parents that I really wanted braces, and I would be like,
oh yeah, the dentist said that, I should get braces, because my teeth are crooked.
They'd always be like,
no, they're just saying that like you don't actually need braces and they're expensive. They're just trying to sell you something.
And I mean, they probably were, but at the same time, I didn't care. I just wish that they would have literally put it as a priority to be like, okay, what's making them insecure and how can I help them feel better about themselves? Not necessarily even saying looks are all that matter, but it's saying if this is what would help her feel better, then let's go for it, type of thing. Because I feel like however you feel about yourself, it'll eventually kind of spill out, and it'll go into how you act and how you are and how you talk and how you move. And so far, I feel like I've been working really hard on myself because I'm trying to figure that out for myself, since I never really got that as a kid. I'm trying to figure out what do I like and what don't I like about myself. For example, my hair, I was getting so tired of it. Literally right now, before I jumped in the shower, I just cut it all off. Yeah, I did. I cut off my bangs. I literally grabbed my hair, went like this, and cut it all off. Why? Because it's if something's bothering me, I'm tired of just letting it be. I just want to do it. I want to take action. I want to fix it. I want to be better. I want to look better. I want to feel better. I want to be more confident. And with that, I cut my hair a lot. I have videos about cutting my hair a lot because I don't know why that must be a trigger point for me. My hair, I don't know what it is. I guess I just don't like it, but I apparently do because I'm not bald yet. But another thing is that when I was younger, I was kind of overweight, and actually my mom, every time we went to the doctor, she would always put oh, what do you worry about, or what do you want to talk about today? And she'd always be like,
weight loss, nutritionist, diet plan or something.
And then so they'd always be talking to me about how I was overweight and everything, and I always told her,
But it's your fault. You're feeding me. You make me eat the food. Literally, you are the one feeding me, so you're the one making me fat. Okay? Period. Duh.
and then she'd be like,
No, that's such a lie.
really? If my parents, I feel like they should have focused on health and nutrition. They should have focused on healthier habits, developing good hygiene. Because I can tell you, as a little kid, I didn't really brush my teeth that often, and I can say I probably went through that 8-year-old stage where you don't want to shower, especially when I lived in Indiana because it was super cold. I never wanted to go in the shower, just stuff like that. I feel like a lot of those things would have helped me with my self-esteem growing up, because I always was called the chubby girl, the chubby twin, because I am a twin. I have a twin that I've made videos with. Her name is Kimberly. She's always been the skinnier one, and so I've always been the little chubbier twin. I'm kind of putting it on myself to make myself feel better and look better. I feel like I never got the whole you're beautiful and this and that. At the same time, I always did get the
maybe you should lose a little bit of weight. Maybe you should eat a little bit less. And here, we're gonna give you lunch, and it'll be a healthier lunch.
They never really focus on giving me healthier habits because they still always did buy me a big giant bag of chips and always did give me a whole adult serving size of food. I just feel like now that I'm grown up, I have to be responsible for myself, and if I'm not losing weight, it's because of me and maybe, like trauma and stuff. But whatever, I'm not gonna blame other people, only low-key. But yeah, so that's why I'm getting braces. And the thing is that I always told myself that I couldn't because I'm like, they're too expensive and they're gonna hurt and they're an inconvenience. Every single time I recorded, like literally I'd be like, I can't, like my teeth are so ugly, they're so crooked. And it's not even that they were crooked or they looked bad on camera, it was that when I would eat, everything would get stuck. And literally I couldn't floss because they're so stuck together. Then I started developing like gingivitis, like on the lower teeth, because it was just so hard to get in there. Like, you can't blame me on that. And I'm a wimp. If it hurts, I'm not doing it. And it hurt when I would floss. But now, you know me, I'm trying to build myself. I floss, I brush my teeth multiple times a day now. Not just one or none. It's just the whole power belief of like, I can do it. I'm only going to pay $67 a month, and that's because I do have insurance through my employer. So if you don't, it's only a little bit more of a sacrifice that you have to make. The way that I saw it was that if I'm willing to pay this much to go out and eat every single day, not even every single day, like once a week, twice a week, I can put that towards getting my teeth fixed, and that'll totally make me feel a lot better. That'll totally make my life a lot better and easier because I won't have to focus on what I don't like. I'm just focusing on what I'm able to fix. If I can't fix it, then don't worry about it. Just love it until you can go and pay thousands of dollars to fix it.
I love you.
That's pretty much something that I wanted to talk to you guys about, because kind of with this whole channel, it's just like a progression of my life. I've had videos since 2016, I believe. I feel like I've literally changed on camera. I've grown on camera. I've opened up on camera, and it's like, it's mind-blowing. Just believing in progress and believing in something beyond can do to a person, because that's all it is. It's my mindset. My brain is changing, like my thoughts are changing, and I hope that can happen for you guys too. Don't just feel like you have to just stick to, I'll have crooked teeth forever because my family, all of them have crooked teeth and none of them can afford it. You can afford it. Maybe you just can't have Spotify anymore, Spotify Premium. Maybe you can't pay for Hulu or Netflix or anything like that for a whole year, but at least you're gonna have a nice smile and you're gonna be a lot more self-confident. You're gonna be able to go and talk to people. You're gonna be able to have fun. That's basically the most important thing. Like, I want you guys to follow me on just opening doors for yourself, and that's kind of what I'm trying to do, because of the fact that through a nicer appearance you can get through to a bigger audience. That's my goal. I'm trying to get through to a bigger audience, and it's kind of shallow to say, but that's kind of why I also wanted my teeth fixed. It's kind of like the halo effect, where if someone sees someone that they admire or someone they want to be, then they're more open to hearing what they have to say or follow along with them and just things like that. So that's basically my goal. I'm trying to look better and feel better so I can give that off in my character and give it off in just my mannerisms. You can call it shallow, you can call it conceited, you can call it whatever you want, but I'm trying to get a bigger audience. I'm trying to be big. I'm trying to be someone more out there, and my dog is here. And I just want to be that person that shows other people that everything is totally realistic. If you think it's not, and you think it's not possible, like honestly, it's just because you're so small-minded, and it's not your fault. It's just the way that you were brought up. It's the way that society has kind of brainwashed everyone to be, to think you can just go to work, just go to school, get a career, work at a corporate office, in a cubicle, something like that. Only work fast food for the next 40 years and complain why you don't get a raise. There's so much more than that, and that's what I want to show. Not only those in my close proximity, but like people like everywhere. And this is the way to do it. This is the way to get across to people. So that's why I'm here, and that's why I have braces, and that's why I made this video, because I'm trying to do bigger things than just sit and make a video. I'm trying to captivate an audience, teach you something. If you guys have something you can teach me, I'm totally open to it, because honestly, I'm on like YouTube and Instagram all the time, so it's a lot easier for me to read things like that than to books, even though I have tons of books. It's easier to me. It's easier for me. It would be great if you guys can go ahead and comment down below what you guys thought about this video. What you guys think about actually putting your health and like mental health, your physical health, just teeth, like you can say my eyebrows, you can say your hair, taking care of things like that that'll help your self-esteem. What do you guys think about even teaching children that? Or how was your childhood like? Did your parents ever really care about how you look? Did they ever emphasize about feeling your best and being your best and doing your best for yourself? Show off to everyone and myself. Show off down below in the comments how your parents loved you. No, and I'm really honest about that, because that's really a really pure and honest way of showing love to your kid. Go ahead and do that down below. If you guys kind of like understand what I'm trying to do here, click like. And if you guys kind of like me and you guys like my braces and my new haircut I just got today, go ahead and subscribe, because this is Agari and me, with me being Agari and you guys being the me part, following along on my journey to financial independence, and just you guys being open up to thinking outside of the box and creating your own reality and just being rich. If not, loving yourself more. Thank you guys for watching.